Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can convert BTC to USDT on Bybit, and it will be a complete tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you want to convert your Bitcoin to USDT, then you just need to click over here. As it once you click over here, then it will land you in that place. So let's change our language because it become on French or something else, so we just need to change our language. First of all, let's click this one and then find it out, translate to English, and here actually it already been done. Okay, there is a problem I found out, so I just need to click over here and then click over here, and here as you can see we have this convert button. Just click over here, convert button. Once you click over here, then here actually you can change your BTC to USD or any kind of a crypto, then fiat, whatever you want, you can do it here. So you can choose your USDT also, or you have, if you have any USDT like cryptocurrency in your wallet, then you can change it or convert it to any kind of a plan. So I hope you love this video, how easy that was. So now you can do it easily. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.